This short video introduces you to the BSc Environment and Sustainability programme at UWE Bristol. We are Dr. Sarah Williams and Dr. Rosamond Portis, the programme leaders and two of the lecturers on the course, and we would be very happy to hear from you with any queries or questions about the course. Our emails are just here above our images, and if you click on the link in the video description, it will take you to the course website. This course is different. We teach content that draws across a lot of different subjects, like geography, psychology, anthropology, and environmental science, and we have a focus on learning through experiencing. We have an approach that draws across three main themes: people and planet, environmental management and challenges, and skills-based learning. To start, we would like to give you some insights into the student experience. The degree programme team is award-winning. For example, here we have a picture of programme lead Sarah, who had just won an award for her teaching skills. She has also won another award for her sustainability work at the university. Linked to this, staff and students often work closely together to develop and deliver action-based projects informed by applying our knowledge and learning of issues related to environmental sustainability. You will have tailored support through personal academic tutors, but each module lead and tutor will also spend many hours supporting you in your studies. For example, pictured above is a 2-day writing retreat run as part of a course called Environment and Behaviour. In this, the students spend time with a designated tutor who will help them develop their final projects at university. You will attend a number of field trips for real-world experiential learning. Pictured here is a trip to Grow Wilder, a local nature reserve and community growing space which is just down the road from UWE Bristol. We also have residential field trips embedded into the course. For the past few years, first years have gone to Wales and second years have gone to Mallorca. We've worked closely with our employer links and professional bodies within the environmental sector who advocate that working in the environmental field involves knowledge across many domains and is multi-skilled. Not only do you need to understand what is happening to the environment, but you also need to understand how this affects people and ecosystems. Questions about how we behave, adapt, and respond to environmental issues draws across the subjects you will study during your degree. This knowledge is essential, but so too are the skills and attributes needed to communicate and act on the information. As such, we embed many transferable skills throughout the degree programme, so that students leave ready and able to make a strong contribution and impact in their chosen professions. To find out exactly what you might study at UWE if you join us on the BSc Environment and Sustainability degree, you can explore the website in detail. There is a lot to take in, but it will give you a good insight into the student journey. This is the overall programme structure. You can see how each year the modules build on those from the year before. So you will follow a developmental pathway through the three main themes. First, we have the theme of people and planet, where there is content drawn mainly from the social sciences and humanities, subjects like psychology and anthropology. Second, we have the theme of environmental management and challenges, where there is mainly content drawn from science subjects and geography. And finally, skills-based learning forms our third thread. Here you will, for example, learn geographic information systems, which helps you map and visualize data. This is something which employers are very keen on. Looking a bit more closely at Year 1, where much of the foundations are developed, we can see that in the People and Planet theme, there are modules that focus on engagement, participation, and sustainable technologies, as well as modules which consider historical through to modern-day understandings of environmentalism. In the Environmental Management and Challenges strand, you will develop understandings of current environmental challenges, with a particular focus on air, land, and water. Through the skills-based theme, you will begin to develop skills in geographic information systems and in environmental research techniques, such as assessing communities and conducting environmental audit. This is the structure of Year 2. Here, you can begin to specialise through picking optional modules. During this year, you will continue to learn about and practice approaches to research, developing these skills further through field trips. In Year 3, you further hone your specialism by choosing optional modules and developing and completing your own independent research project. You can also complete a placement year during your degree programme between Years 2 and 3, where you can spend time working. This is a great way to add professional skills and experience to your overall university experience. If you want to keep an eye on what we get up to, please do follow our Instagram page, where you can see some of the amazing things our students do during their time at UWE. Thank you for listening in. Please do get in touch if you would like to find out more.